Welcome to Gajoldoba, a beautiful wetland in West Bengal. Every winter, thousands of birds make this place their home. Let's look at the birds we recorded here. Tufted duck, as per Eurasian status, it is least concern. These ducks are winter guests. They fly all the way from Siberia and Northern Eurasia to stay in our water. A pair of red-crested Pochard, Eurasian status least concern. We can identify them by their bright orange heads. They migrate to India from Central Asia and Southern Europe. Common Teal, male, Eurasian status least concern. These are females. They come from Northern Eurasia and Siberia for the winter. Ruddy Shelduck, also known as Brahminy Duck, Eurasian status least concern. These birds fly over the high Himalayas from Ladakh and Tibet to reach Gajoldoba. Look among the Ruddy Shelducks, the white birds are little egrets. Eurasian status least concern. This elegant white bird is a local species. Northern Lapwing, as per Eurasian, it is near threatened. This bird has a beautiful crest on its head. It is a winter visitor from Europe and Central Asia. Another near threatened bird, river lapwing. Unlike the northern lapwing, it is a local species. You will usually find them on the sandy banks of the Teesta River.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo.
Little ring plover, least concern. This is a small, busy bird. It is a local species that stays and breeds here in India. Grey heron, as per Eurasian, least concern. A very patient hunter. The grey heron is a local species and can be seen in our wetlands throughout the year. Northern Pintail, also least concern, named for their long pointed tails. These ducks are winter migrants from Siberia and Northern Eurasia. Eurasian Wigeon, least concern. These are social ducks that arrive in large groups. They travel to India from Northern Europe and Northern Asia. Eurasian Moorhen, again least concern as per Eurasian. This dark bird with a red beak is a local species. Gajoldoba is truly a gift for nature lovers. Please help protect these wetlands so our feathered friends keep coming back. Thank you for watching.